Hi guys, I'm going to be creating a logo design for a lightning company called Lumere. I've done my research and narrowed it down to these videos where we had heat and light. So this is the image where I'll be getting the inspiration from, where I'll be trying to craft out the logo from it, like drawing this circle here and this other one here. Then deleting the image and bringing this one here, then expand it, and also let's expand this too like this, then rotate and then duplicate it. Let's like duplicate it. Now using our shape builder to craft to remove the unwanted parts like this here, this here. I'm joining this. So here is the rough sketch of the logo. Here is the logo grid to make it professional. And here is the traced out part of the logo. And here is the final look of the logo. Here is the final look of Lumere. Thank you.